And then I got this solid cleanser from Focus. Hello everybody. So I know I have already posted a haul video this month. I'll link it right here. It is my birthday month, so I'm just kind of treating myself. This is 2 days worth of shopping. We'll talk about this at the end, but mostly I want to focus on this bag. For the past several months, Ulta has been having a clearance sale. I did do like a Ulta clearance haul or Ulta mega super, I think it's my super mega Ulta haul link here, where I bought a bunch of clearance items. It started out with everything that had a green line on the barcode was half off. So I got a few things then. 2 or 3 weeks ago, that got marked down to everything with a green line is 75% off. I can't remember if I got anything from there. And now we're down to the last bare bones picking of any of Ulta's clearance. And it just went out today that Ulta's clearance is now 90% off of everything with a green line on the barcode. So, that's dirt cheap. So I grabbed a bunch of stuff today. I'm not going to tell you how much I spent. Right now, I want you to put a guess down in the comments. Guess in the comments how much money you think I spent on this bag of makeup. Okay? And then I'll tell you at the end how much it would have been normally with just my discount, but then how much I got it for with the extra 90% off. If you guys are interested in seeing what I got, just keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would appreciate it if you would do so. Here's my super long receipt. Let's start with lip products. I got a bunch of lip products because they were kind of all that was left. It was mostly lip products. I got 9 lip products. Glosses, liquid lip, lipsticks, all sorts of things. I got 5 Maybelline lipsticks. These are all their metallic ones. Computer, camera, right here, right here. Please. Serpentine. Let's start this over. I have to get my face out of the way here so it'll focus on the lipstick and not me. Smoked Silver, Pure Gold, Serpentine, Copper Rose, and Gunmetal. These are all shades that I have never worn before. They're not like your pinks or your nudes or your berry tones, right? These are all really different colors that I would not normally pick out, but they were so cheap and I thought, why not? Let's get some cool colors into this mix. So I'll show you some swatches. Gunmetal, really pretty. Oh my gosh. It's kind of got a blue teal undertone with silver glitter in it. That's really cool. Whoa, look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, Serpentine. Green with a gold shift to it. Oh, if you can see the gold in it. Very cool. Here's Pure Gold. I forgot how creamy Maybelline lipsticks are. It's not really gold, it's more of a bronzy, brassy kind of color. I wouldn't say this is pure gold, but it's very pretty. Here is Smoked Silver. And here is Copper Rose. Whoa. Really different colors for me, but I really like them. Those are so cool. They don't fit into any of my lipstick categories, so they're gonna have to find a place of their own. The L'Oreal Infallible 8-Hour Pro Gloss. This is in the shade Truffle. Really pretty brownie nude with gold glitter in it. If it was more pinky, it would be a pretty good dupe for Saint Tropez from ABH. This lipstick from L'Oreal. This is a matte color, Matte Gick. Magic? Matte Gick? She's a little bit damaged, but not swatched. I think she just got like twisted up and smooshed into the top of her lid. Matte Gick. I have never worn a purple lipstick before. That's really pretty though. Why is my voice so gravelly today? Next is from Milani. Whoa. This is the Amore Shine liquid lip color. This is in the shade Passion. I don't know if this is a matte formula or a glossy formula. It is very red. It's a weird applicator. It's like a cone with a little dip. Passion from Milani. That is perfectly blood red. It matches my hair. The last lip product is from NYX. It is their Slip Tease lip lacquer. I really like the packaging. It's hex. It's a hexagon. I'm sorry, I had to go through my penta, and it's a hexagon. This is in the shade Dexter. Again, with the weird ass applicators. Focus on my hand, please. It's just weird. Dexter is a brownie red. I'm just trying to show you the color and not next to everything else. It's kind of a brownie red color. And I think it's supposed to stay very shiny. Those are the lip products. That's a lot of lip products. But I'm very excited about it. I got some crazy ones, and I got some wearable ones. I got a nail polish from Essie. This is Over the Edge. It's kind of a gunmetal gray color. I think this would look really good over a black. It's just like a really shiny, sparkly gray. The last couple things are eye products. I got the Ulta Beauty Glitter Primer for eyes, because this is a NYX metallic eyeliner in the shade Silver. Very creative, NYX. Ooh, that's really creamy though. This might be good for waterline. I'm sorry, I'm drawing on myself. Look how pretty that is. One last eye thing is this Urban Decay eyeshadow single. This is in the shade Sideline. It's regularly $19. $19 for a single eyeshadow is unbelievable, in my opinion. I love their packaging. Would you stop putting lipstick on your boob, Laura? Please. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I look like I've been murdered. Anyway, okay, so here's the shade Sideline. She looks like that. And let's put it up right here. Whoa, okay, so it's kind of gold, but it's got a green iridescent shift to it. You see that? Huh. Weird. Huh. So that's it for my clearance haul that happened today. Have you made your guesses for how much this would cost and how much I spent? 2 guesses, okay? I want you to guess what the original total was and then what the total was with all the discounts and such applied. You ready? No, seriously, do it. Did you do it yet? So, when this rang up, only with my 25% employee discount, the total was $88 and some odd cents. Okay. And then my manager plugged in the 90% off, and it dropped it down to $8.82 with tax. I got all of this for $8. $9. Crazy. So cool. I love clearance. Clearance is great. So yeah, I got all that for $9. So that aside, I grabbed a few things the other day. My store is no longer going to be carrying Physicians Formula. I don't know why. It sells fairly well. Well, I mean, mostly they're bronzers, right? I would say their bronzers sell more than anything else from them, but we're getting rid of them. And so yesterday morning, my manager told me that. Right now, everything Physicians Formula at my store is 75% off, and it's buy one, get one half off. So I grabbed a few things from Physicians Formula. I grabbed another butter bronzer. This is in the shade Light Bronzer. I already have one. I use it every day, and I have hardly made a dent in it. It's still pristine. So I grabbed another one for backup. I'll tell you the price for that one, I guess. Oh, I lost the receipt. I lost the receipt. There are too many Ulta receipts in this room. For almost all of the Physicians Formula things I'm going to show you, they were about like $1.50 for me. I can't tell you how much it actually was because I don't have the thing. I got the Physicians Formula shimmer strips. This is like OG YouTube. Not that I was here for OG YouTube, but you go back into all the beauty gurus videos and everybody had this little palette. I hate Physicians Formula's packaging. So throw that out there. I don't like any of their packaging. Good products, terrible packaging. It looks like this cute little bow. Oh, the back opens apparently. So you can get, oh, whoa. It comes with a tiny foam brush. A tiny angled foam brush, okay. And then this sucker. Garbage, all of you. And a mirror. I didn't know that. That's new for me. Okay, so it opens up. I like so. There are 12 different colors in here, but you can all swirl them all together or just use some of them. Today I just basically used the top row for my highlight, and it's poppin'. I really like how it looks. Usually I think probably $12 for this, and I got it for maybe $1.50, $2. I got 2 of their lips. This is their Healthy Lip liquid lipstick. Why is my hair crunchy in the back right here? Sweat. That's what that is, because I was sweating my ass off today. This one is in the shade Fight Free Red Radicals. Right? Free Radicals? Free Radicals. Just a classic deep cherry red. The other one is Nourishing Plum. Noir, like black. Ishing Plum. Nourishing Plum. Nourishing Plum. Nourishing Plum. Nourishing Plum. It's kind of all getting washed out. You look a lot deeper than that. In the real life. I'm covered in color, and I'm not that mad about it. They're kind of a velvet, I mean, it is a velvet finish. That's what it says, it's a velvet finish. So they're kind of a velvet finish. They are a velvet finish. And then I grabbed a couple things from Ulta, because Ulta's buy 2 get 2 free again. So I got 2 cream eyeshadow and liner. I got one in Blacklist and one in Golden Opportunity. Things I have been looking at since I started working at Ulta. They're just really creamy. Like, it could be an eyeliner, but I think these would be a really good base for like a smoky eye, and I'm sure you can like blend them out so you can really smoke them out. I smoked it out with my finger. So I did a black smoky eye once, and it didn't look very good, and I think it's because I didn't have a good base under it. Golden Opportunity. They are self-sharpening, so like there's a lot of product in them. lot of product in them. Super pretty. Caught in all the hands of my hair. The hands of my hair? The hair of my hands. Apparently you're supposed to wash your brushes, like, in between deep washings. I didn't know that. Siobhan, when she was doing my hair, she said that I should get a brush and sponge cleanser that's not like a deep cleansing kind of thing. So I got the Ulta Beauty brush and sponge cleanser. So it gently cleanses natural and synthetic brush hairs and sponge surface by dissolving all types of makeup. Extends the life of your makeup brushes. Wet brush hairs or sponge, then liberally spray on the cleanser. Pour cleanser in with your fingers. Rinse until the water is clear. It sounds like deep cleansing to me. I got this solid cleanser from Ulta. I used it on my 2 foundation brushes last night. So it's like a solid kind of soap. And I just rolled my brushes in it, and I did it a couple times to get foundation out of my brushes, and it worked fairly well. I mean, nothing's perfect, but it's definitely better than it was. This is my original Morphe M439. I used it on the JH03, right, to get that one clean and soft again. This is a lot of makeup. Like a lot of makeup. I'm gonna check my bank statement real quick, and I'll tell you how much I paid for this shit. If I did my math right, which I probably didn't, because I bought these with my hair appointment, which was $35, and then I gave Siobhan $25, $10 for a tip, and then $15 for, she bought me a shampoo. So maybe like $12, maybe? Oh my god. This is a lot of makeup. What have I done? I just need to get organized. It's just messy right now. Okay. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you enjoyed the mess that I have just made. But let's show you what my desk looks like right now. Okay? Just a little bit. Oh my gosh, look at this desk. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, look at this desk. Oh my gosh, look at this desk. Look at this desk. Look at this desk. Look at this desk. Ah! There's makeup down there. And there's makeup over there. And there's Jaclyn Hill right there. Whoa. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel before you go. Give us a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye. Is my head cut off the top of all of my videos right now? It is. So it's just like a really shiny, colorful gray. Colorful gray. What the hell? No! Where's that paper towel that I was throwing? Now I have red on my boobie. The window's open. Oh man. And with this nail polish, I am just a little bit of a mess right now. So I grabbed another one. Oh my gosh. If I found the deep end. A little ocean, drain the fantasy of you and burst into shallow